Given time, truth shines. For 2 years, Lee has been poo-pooing the moon in the sky, having people fucking doing new tricks, and you gotta lay on your back to make it stop. Because our axis shifted, giving us a different view of what the moon's doing. We've gone over this several times, several different ways. However, Dawg comes in here and saves the day. No, but it appears to be rotating clockwise, 180 degrees overnight. It looks that way because our vantage point has changed. When the Earth shifted on its axis, everything in the sky changed. The constellations, like Orion's doing a cartwheel, he shouldn't be, are different spots. The sun seems to be going. And this is all stuff that Lee has poo-pooed. Everything. Very specifically. So Dawg comes in here and sets him straight. Straight the fuck up. Gives it to him right the fuck straight up. The moon does appear to do it 180 degrees. And it's a new thing, man. It depends on your viewpoint of Earth. Because when the axis shifted, this began. Thank you, Dawg. Because Lee pinned him up top and says, exactly. So I guess you'll be taking those 90 videos down, Lee, because the moon appears to be doing a new trick that it shouldn't be. Because it used to look like a waxing wane. Not a waxy wane, not a waning wax. Fuck's sake. John has videos. We brought several videos of the moon doing this. Lee said it's not doing this. Now he says it's doing this. And he agrees. Because it shouldn't be. It's a new trick. And it began when the Earth's axis shifted, which NASA says was in the 90s. I say it happened in 2010. I'll take the hit. I was late to the game. It's a new trick, though. Drops mic. I want to point out very clearly the only reason Dawg has this information is because I found him on BP Earthwatch making a comment, and I didn't give up hope on Dawg. I just understood that we've all been lied to, and I wanted to make clear to him that he's been lied to, and I pointed out some things for him to look at that are not normal. Now, Dawg has gone over here. Lee has no idea who he is. And the fact that he said it exactly the same way I've said it 1,000 times. Dawg got this statement from my ass. Lee pinned him up and says exactly. Thank you, Lee. You're great, dude. But yeah, I mean, you can see that's how Dawg and I actually met a couple of weeks ago. He's looked at fucking everything because we've all been lied to, and I'm not going to give you something you can't look at and prove in a court of law. Thank you, Dawg. You're a shining example of why I should not pre-block everybody and give everybody the example of, like, here, look, I can show you something that you're not. And thank you for looking. Thank you for being a brave person standing up and for the truth. That's worth a shot.